Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing really well. My name is Tanya if you're new here, and welcome. So in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Glossybox in collaboration with Zoeva box. This is a limited edition box that is currently still on sale actually with Glossybox, and the contents inside are worth £85. As a subscriber like myself, you can get it for £25. However, if you're not a subscriber, you can get it for £30, which is a massive saving. So Glossybox is a monthly subscription box in which you receive 5 beauty products worth over £50, which is phenomenal, and you only pay a maximum of £13.75 depending on what plan you decide to go with Glossybox. So you can either pick up a one-off box, should I rather say, for £13.75, or you can take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription plan. The duration of the subscription plan gets cheaper with the length that you pick. So for example, the 3-month subscription plan is slightly more expensive than what the 12-month one is. I have personally taken out the 12-month one, in which I pay £11.75, and that includes postage and packaging. I think that Glossybox is just an amazing little treat for yourself every month, and you get to try out new products that you might have never heard of, or you might have seen and you're on the fence about trying to buy, whether you want to buy it or not. So aside from the monthly subscription boxes that Glossybox do, they do these limited edition boxes. So recently they've done a collaboration with Zoeva Cosmetics, and I have wanted to try Zoeva for the longest time. I've heard so much about it, and when I saw that Glossybox were selling this, and as a subscriber I could pick this up for £25, I was so excited. So I paid my £25 and got my box. So I have a little confession to make. I have already opened this and used some of the products. I've actually had this box for over a week. I went out last week for dinner and I really wanted to use the eyeshadow palette that was in here, but I thought I would still go ahead and show you what you can get in this box. I believe it is still on sale. So let's dive into it. So every box comes really neatly packaged. As I say, I've already been in this and used it, so it's not so neat. But yeah, you get a little product card in here telling you all about the products in the box and how much they would retail for. Then everything would come wrapped beautifully in tissue paper, and here we have the contents of the box. So I'm just going to dive in and show you. So the first thing that we've got in here is this eyeshadow palette, which is the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. And I have worn this a couple of times and it is beautiful. It's full of beautiful autumnal shades, and it's just stunning, perfect for this time of the year. I have used a couple of the colours down here and also that red colour up here, and the colour payoff is absolutely insane. So let's just do a couple of swatches. If you excuse the swatches, I've just been filming the other Glossybox video and I haven't yet wiped it off, so I do apologise. But let's just do a couple of swatches just so you guys can see what it's like. So excuse the lipstick up at the top, but down here they are all the swatches, and they are just absolutely stunning colours. I absolutely love them. I'm covered in swatches, I don't know what to do. But yeah, they are absolutely stunning. They blend out like an absolute dream. And yeah, so this palette is actually worth £21, and yeah, it's just amazing. Absolutely love it. Really do love it. So the next thing that you get in the box is the Voyager Travel Brush Set, and I have used these to try them out and they are beautiful. So in here you get a little pouch which is so cute for traveling. Like I say, not that we can do a lot of it right now. And then you get inside 4 brushes. These are the softest brushes ever. As you can see, some of them are covered in makeup, just to prove that I have used them and I have tried them out, and I absolutely love them. I feel now that I want to invest in more Zoeva brushes, because they are the softest things ever. So inside, this one is a concealer buffer brush. You then get the Luxe crease brush. Don't know whether you can see that right there. You also get the, what is this? The Smoky Blender brush, and you also get a brow line brush as well. So you've got quite a few brushes in there to get you started and also to try out. I love these, and like I say, I really want to invest in some full-size brushes from Zoeva because I just think they're so nice. They just blend out my eyeshadow really well. The concealer brush is really good. I actually used it to blend out the primer that we get in the boxes, that you get in the box, which I'll talk about in a second, and it was just amazing. Absolutely love these brushes. So next in the box we get the strobe gel in the shade Nova, and this is a liquid highlighter. I haven't yet tried this out on myself. I thought I would save something as a first impression of this video. That is what it looks like inside. It's like a gel, and it is it's like the weirdest thing. Like, it actually feels like, it does feel like jelly. It is like the weirdest consistency ever. I don't think I've ever tried a highlighter like this before. But let's see if I can take a little bit of it and do a swatch. Okay, so that isn't as dark as what I thought it would be. I don't know how well that is picking up on camera, but that is left like a nice little sheen to the back of my hand. I wouldn't say there's a lot of colour payoff to it. It kind of almost, is it right? Let's just take a bit more. Okay, so it kind of goes almost colourless, which is really weird. It's left, that is weird. Like, it's made the back of my hand like really shiny. So on the high points of your face, yeah, you'll add some shine to it, but there's not really any colour to it. So yeah, I'm just a little bit confused by this, to be honest. I mean, it looks, I don't know, like, I'm a little bit on the fence about it. Let me know down below if you've ever tried this product before, and what you think to it, or just let me know what your thoughts are in general. Yeah, I don't really know about this. Yeah, I'm just a little bit confused by it. I hope, like, when I do try it on my face, it just doesn't make me look sweaty and does give me a nice glow. So yeah, like, we'll see how that one pans out. I guess I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so the next thing in the box that we have is the Pure Matte Lips liquid lipsticks, and I think this one is in the shade Dare to Dream. So let's have a look. So it is in this really nice, like, pinky mauvey colour, and let's do a little swatch to see what that is like. I have actually wiped all the swatches off the back of my hand so you can actually see it properly. Okay, so this is quite mauvey. There you go. I actually quite like that colour. I've read online, I've seen a lot of people on social media say how they're very unsure about this colour. I actually quite like it. I think that would be so nice in the centre of your lip and do like an ombre lip, as opposed to like doing it all over your lip. But yeah, I actually really quite like that colour. So in here we have a Graphic Eyes eyeliner, and this is a black pencil. I have used this on my eyes and I really like it. Another thing that I love about this is the fact that it's waterproof. I wore this the other night when I went out and it didn't budge at all. There we go. It's super black, and it was just really nice. It's really creamy as well, so it's not gonna like drag on your eye when you apply it. It just, yeah, it's just a really good eyeliner. It kind of almost looks shiny on my skin. Again, I don't know whether that is picking up on camera or not, but yeah, it's just a really nice black eyeliner, and the fact that it's waterproof as well makes me love it even more. And the last thing that we got in the box is the, what is this, the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Eye Primer. Again, I used this the other night when I went out before I applied the eyeshadows, and it is so good. It comes out a little bit of a yellowy colour. Again, let me just try and do a little swatch for you so you can see. It's kind of like a very skin-like shade and quite light. I've applied it to my knuckle just there. But yeah, this stuff like is so good. I put a little bit on my eyelids, I blended it out with the concealer brush, and then I applied the eyeshadow on top, and my eyeshadow didn't budge one bit. It's really good, and it didn't dry my eyelids out or anything like that. Again, I just think a really nice little eyeshadow primer, and yeah, I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, so I'm super happy. So that is everything that I received in my Glossybox in collaboration with Zoeva. Overall, I am well impressed by this box. The value of this box, like I said, is £85, and I got it for 25, which is an amazing saving. And also, I've got to try out some new products at a really affordable price, which I love. The only thing that I'm not too sure about is that strobe gel. I think I'm going to have to give it a go and actually apply it when I do my makeup, just to see what it's like. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps me out. And also, if you want to stick around for more videos like this, then please hit that subscribe button below, and also click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I am gonna love you and leave you now. I hope you are all staying safe, and I shall see you in the next one. Love you loads. Bye.